Hello friends, this is Yogita from Craft and Fashion. I am a fashion expert, artisan designer and founder of Craft and Fashion. We Craft and Fashion are mainly into the manufacturing of the bohemian collection like women's wear, jewelry, accessories and the home decor. Today I would like to share you like our Kantha collection along with the Kantha stalls and the dupatta, as well as I will share you some fashion tips how you can wear your Kantha stalls and the dupatta with your regular outfits. So friends, this is the Kantha collection. This is the Kantha dupatta. Now what is the Kantha? So Kantha is a form of free stitching embroidery which is always done on a two layers of the fabric. You can see over there this is a two layer. So this is the reason the Kantha collection always in the reversible collection. So let me introduce you my new collection of the Kantha dupatta, which we have. Why this is the new collection? Because this time we have added bandhani, then our patola and the batik collection of the patchwork which is belongs to Gujarat along with the Kantha embroidery. See the beautiful ikat along with the ikat patola patchwork. This is again the reversible collection. You can wear the both side as per your outfit's color. There is another third option is the simple patchwork. These are the simple pages which there is some bright print over there or might be simple solid color of the pages. Along with this a particular like a contrast color of the Kantha thread stitches. This is again reversible printed fabric along with the matching Kantha threads. You can see there is a blue, pink, green, different kinds of the Kantha fabric, Kantha threads which we have used for the to enhance the beauty of this printed fabric. This is again the reversible collection. You can see the same threads which show the beautiful outline on the plain side. That color there is no any prints or patchwork with the contrast color of the Kantha threads which will enhance the beauty of the solid colors. This is again the reversible. One side you can see the beautiful blue and another is the mustard color which is the back side of. So you can again use these Kantha stalls as per your available of the Kantha work. This is very neat and exclusive collection of the Kantha embroidery. So there are different patterns like running stitching, round, square shape of the Kantha embroideries are also there. This is again the stall. You can see the beautiful round embroideries over there, and this is the reversible which is like a mehndi color, mehndi dark green color along with this blue color and the contrast color of the red, white and green threads. This is the patchwork in the stalls again. So these are the different kinds of the patchwork with on the stall. These stalls you can use on your one-piece outfits or on a jeans, and the beautiful flower prints in the back side. So again you can use this stall as a reversible collection. Checks print over there along with the patola print. So you can see this beautiful collection with the contrast color of the threads over there. This is again reversible in. For the look number 1, style the Kantha patchwork dupatta with a solid color kurti and make sure to style ethnic accessories for the perfect boho look. Like I have wear Afghan necklace with beautiful jhumka, oversized ring along with a silver big bracelet. And finally to complete my perfect boho look have added embroidered juti. The look number 2 style is specially for the party, occasion or the festival wear. This multicolor Kantha dupatta with the exclusive embroidery kurti I have styled with the traditional kundan earrings, bracelets and accessories which will enhance your elegant fusion look. Our look number 3 is a bit suitable for the summer fashion wear collection. The exclusive round Kantha embroidery stall have wrapped in a scarf style with a white solid colored fashion skirt and a tank top. I have also styled with the long beautiful jhumka earring, silver bracelet and the black heels to complete my Indo-Western look. So friends, get set ready for the summer fashion. So friends, look number 4 again for the fashion wear. Our designer Kantha stall styled with a solid black color one-piece frock. I have wrapped this Kantha stall around the neck in a reversible way, like you can see one side the patchwork and the other side it's a reversible pattern of the same stall, so with the floral design. And finally have tied the leather belt on it to get the western look. Have also styled the designer earrings, coin necklace and the Punjabi juti to get the western boho look. So friends, last but not least, the look number 5. Simple elegant way to wear solid colored plain Kantha dupatta with the embroidered kurti. I have styled with the traditional silver golden two-tone long earrings, the bracelet and the accessories. This look is perfect for the occasion, festival or fusion wear or any get-together parties. So friends, these are the different ways you can wear your kantha stalls and the dupatta. And also I will introduce my new collection in my next video. So kindly stay tuned. And if you like my video, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you.